Do you remember watching TV shows like this? Blurry picture, low resolution. Maybe it's a classic TV show from your childhood or something you recorded years ago and don't want to lose. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn an old 4:3 blurry TV video into a 16:9 4K video using AI.
What happened? I don't know. Fell asleep. That is all. Yeah.
In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI to upscale old TV videos and improve clarity, bringing new life to your nostalgic footage. First, open AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI and import your video. Before enhancing the quality, we need to adjust the aspect ratio. Click the crop icon under the video preview and select 16:9. Then choose the cropping area to make sure the important content stays in the frame. Then go to the Presets section. Choose Upscale to 4K. This increases resolution and converts low-quality video into crisp 4K. To make faces look clearer and more natural, turn on the Face Enhancement model. This is especially useful for old TV shows and family videos, where faces are often blurry or lack detail. Next, you can adjust brightness, contrast, and other settings according to your personal preference. Once everything is set, click Preview to check the enhanced result. You can clearly see the difference between the original blurry video and the enhanced HD version. If the preview looks good, simply click Start Processing. And that's it. If this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.